When we're setting up the projector, we need to have a square picture, and it could be hard. It could be that it's mechanically offset or something. We have an electronic adjustment, tons of features in the projector for this. The best thing you can do is to actually get the mechanical part as good as it can be, and then small adjustments electronically. For the sharpness of the picture is a mechanical slider. On the ST projector is just behind the lens. On the UST projector is underneath the projector on the right-hand side. When we are going to adjust the picture, you need to have something that fills the screen, so to speak, so you can see what you're doing. Then we go into the menu of the projector remote control, and then go down to 1 point down, and then geometric correction. Here we have 4 different ways of changing the picture. I'm going to show you what each does. Horizontal keystone, not often to use it, but it actually skews the projector if it's sideways adjusted. Then we have the vertical keystone, and that's normally enough if the projector is sitting straight and everything. So you can see it getting almost good here. But not good enough. You see this line is not straight, it's a little skewed. So I'm actually going to go back and don't use the keystone. Instead, I'm going to use 4 corners, which is a favorite one. Then I go into that corner, press enter, and then I can adjust this corner only as much as I want and get that straight. I can also change it up and down if needed, but you can never go outside the boundary what you were. So the physical limit where you have the mechanical setup is where the maximum. So you can only lessen the image or make it smaller. So when I've done that corner, I'm gonna jump in again here to geometric correction, 4 corners, and then go up to that one and make that a little bit better, and further down, let's say, good enough. Okay, we have a square picture. So in this case, I'm going to show you the last one. It's a very advanced version, and I'm going to reset the geometric correction, because when I've gone into one of these, that's one that is active. You cannot mix the 2 of them. So I'm going to reset. We're going to see it jumping out again. And then there is 5.3 warp. Now I can actually set this corner and this line as well and everything in. But you're going to see if I do only this one, or this actually stays, and that won't be good for the reason we are. But if you have the wall is a little bit curved or something, you can actually use this to tweak to get a perfectly square picture. So if I don't like this setup, I actually just going to go in and go back to geometric correction, reset that, start over, and then in this case I would use 4 corners. So that's how you're setting up the projector to get a perfectly square picture.